What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another throwback video. In this video we got a 2004 Mercedes-Benz E500. This bad boy had 164,000 miles on it. This was my very first Benz I ever bought. I actually like this Benz. Like I said, it was the E500. I don't know if you guys know, but in these cars they usually have like suspension issues because they got air shocks, so the air shocks be like going out and stuff. So you know, you might see a Benz around this year like sagging to the bottom or sagging, you know what I'm saying, the front be sagging a little bit. But yeah, it wasn't nothing wrong with this bad boy, man, besides that little ding I showed in the door. But other than that, man, this Benz was very nice, man. This was my very first Benz. I spent $23.33 for this Benz. $23.33. It was a repossession. I got this car from Title Max. So a lot of my cars I got from like they've been repossessions. So I buy a lot of repossession cars. But yeah, man, I think I got a pretty good deal from for this Mercedes, especially being, you know, how clean it was. $23.33. I ended up selling this car for $3,700. Nice lady came out and bought it. She was actually looking for something, you know, because I think she was like a real estate broker or something, and she was just looking for something like to drive her clients around in, something a little nicer than what she was driving. So yeah, man, it was a couple of little rips in the seats. I think it was a rip in just the passenger seat. Yeah, it was just a rip in the passenger seat. Yeah, you can see it from there. But yeah, man, this Benz was very nice, man. It's a funny story about this Benz too. I actually locked the key in the car when I first got it too, so I almost had to call a key man, but my buddy was able to get in the door and unlock it. So yeah, man, $23.33 is what I paid for it. $3,700 is what I sold it for. I think it was a pretty good deal. As you can see, that Benz was very nice. So it was pretty fast too. This is my first time driving a Benz, like I said. But yeah, man, this car was very nice. So I guess that pretty much wraps it up for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. A lot more content coming, like I keep telling y'all. Make sure you hit that notification bell, and I will catch you guys on the next one. I appreciate you watching my video once again. Peace.